Okay, more than 10 years. And you know, Maria has 4 kids. And she's always like support me and love me and always be here for me. And I'm super happy that you are you're married right now. You are married right now. You know, there was a friend of us said that we are partners in crime together and we have secrets together that I cannot share with you guys. But I can share one. Only one. No. Shut up. So Maria one day she said, Kang, I think I'm not gonna get married at all. And look at you, Kang. I'm super happy for you. And I'm very honored that you choose me as your maid of honor. I love you, Kang, so much. Anyway, I have a story about the love story.